Okay. Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Can understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Ma'am, I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Gladys Tibayan. I'm 27 years old. I live in Santa Barbara, Pangasinan, Philippines. 1997. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have one daughter. She is 10 years old. 2018, I have work experience working as housemaid and as a nanny. I'm serving 8 members of family, 7 adults, one newborn baby. My task is to take care of newborn baby while dealing all around housework. I'm expert in cooking because my work experience at a canteen, ma'am. My strengths are hardworking, multitasker, fast learning, trustworthy, and patient, ma'am. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you for your introduction, Gladys, but I would like to know some few more details from you first. Are you single or married?
Married, ma'am.
Married. What is your husband occupation and how old is your husband?
Ma'am, my husband, 31 years old. She construction workers, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
Ma'am, 54, ma'am. 76,
Okay, so what is your
ma'am.
religion? What is your religion?
Ma'am, Roman Catholic, ma'am. Catholic
What
po.
about your educational background?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, you mentioned that you got one kid which is 10 years old who will going to take care of your kid later once you come to work here in Malaysia.
My mother-in-law, ma'am.
How old is your mother-in-law and what is her occupation?
Ma'am, around 50 plus po, ma'am. 53, ma'am.
53.
Housewife, ma'am.
Housewife.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2018 to 2018. What month did you started and what month did you finish?
Ma'am, 6 months, ma'am.
6 months. You work, you take care a newborn, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines?
Ma'am,
Sorry, in which part of the Philippines?
Santa Barbara, Pangasinan, ma'am.
Okay, so while taking care of this newborn, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a stay-in maid?
No, ma'am. Stay out, ma'am.
Stay out. But you take care only a newborn for 6 months, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after that, way back 2019 to 2022, you work as what?
Full mother, ma'am.
2019
Full-time
until
mother.
2022?
Full-time mother, ma'am.
So, after 2022 until recently, what is your job?
Ma'am, canteen, ma'am. Working as at canteen, ma'am.
So, 2022 until recently, you work in canteen, correct?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, being an OFW is very hard. It is a very, very tough job, okay? You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family or you miss your
Yes,
child.
ma'am.
Working abroad is not that so easy. Most especially here in Malaysia, houses here is very big and employers is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. You need to be multitasking and you need to be flexible. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I really.
Okay, so are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Ma'am, Filipino food.
But are you willing to learn some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets? Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned, you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay.
As I
I
have
agree.
mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then fine, you can come. Please work properly. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you fight your homesickness knowing that this is your first time working abroad and you will be working quite far away from your family? And, homesickness will frequently attack you. What will you do if you miss your kid or you miss your family?
Yes, ma'am. I will call my family after work, ma'am.
You will call your family after work.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I give you a scenario. What will you do if the employer keep on following you? Like for example, wherever you go or uh, which places in the house the employer still following you? What will you do?
Ma'am?
What will you do if the employer keep on following you? Like for example, if you clean the house, wherever you go inside the house, the employer keep on following you. What will you do?
Ma'am, just follow the employer and be patient, ma'am.
So you will not get angry.
Yes.
Okay. I think that's all. Thank you for now. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Bye.